Welcome, viewers, to our exciting showcase of unconventional weapons that redefine the concept of firepower. Today, we dive into a world where innovation meets weaponry, exploring gadgets that break away from traditional bullet-based systems. These remarkable items offer a blend of novelty, practicality, and sheer fun. From 3D printed crossbow pistols to high-performance air rifles and beyond, each gadget we cover today demonstrates the limitless creativity in modern armament. So, let's jump right in and discover these extraordinary tools. Number 1. The 3D printed repeating crossbow pistol. Let's start with a truly unique creation, the 3D printed repeating crossbow pistol. This compact and innovative device features an integrated quiver capable of holding up to 6 arrows, offering rapid-fire capabilities. It's powered by either TheraBand gold rubber or standard pistol crossbow limbs, ensuring a powerful punch with each shot. You can load it manually or utilize additional ammo clips for automatic loading. The inclusion of 2 Picatinny rails allows you to attach various accessories, like a laser sight, flashlight, front handle, or even a red dot sight or short scope, enhancing its functionality. The best part, for just $15, you can get the 3D files to print this crossbow pistol yourself, unleashing its power in a DIY fashion. Number 2. AEA HP Series High-Performance Air Rifle. Next in our lineup is the AEA HP Series Air Rifle, a high-performance weapon that packs incredible projectile energy in a compact package, delivering a whopping 150 foot-pounds of energy (FPE) at ultra-high working pressures of 4,500 psi. This air rifle stands out for its ability to deliver more shots with minimal power drop-off. Its folding stock adds to its portability, making it suitable for most backpacks. Crafted with high-quality aviation aluminum and a hard anodized finish, these air guns are not just powerful but also durable. Priced at $600, the AEA HPSS Max offers excellent accuracy and reliability, making it a top choice for air rifle enthusiasts. Number 3. XM42 Light Handheld Flamethrower. For those looking for something truly exhilarating, the XM42 Light Handheld Flamethrower is a perfect choice. Priced at $600, it's not only affordable, but also a source of immense fun. This flamethrower can shoot flames up to 33 feet, making it a showstopper at gatherings. It's simple, compact, well-made, and easy to operate, with a weight of 5.5 pounds and a fuel capacity of 0.3 gallons. You can enjoy continuous usage for 24 seconds with a range of 25 feet. For extended fun, there's an optional backpack that increases the runtime to 4 minutes, ensuring a longer duration of excitement. Number 4. GoGun 6 Bow Pump-Action Pneumatic Air Bow. The GoGun 6 Bow is an extraordinary 6-shot pump-action pneumatic air bow, currently in the prototyping phase. This remarkable weapon promises to bring a new level of power and versatility to the world of airbows. With its unique design and cutting-edge technology, the GoGun 6 Bow is set to revolutionize the airbow market. Keep an eye out for updates on its release, as this weapon is sure to be a game-changer. Number 5. Arc Flash Labs EMG-01B Coil Gun. The Arc Flash Labs EMG-01B is an 8-stage, low-voltage, capacitor-augmented, fully automatic coil gun, priced at $1,350. Unlike many coil guns, the EMG-01B operates at low voltage, yet provides rapid firing capabilities of up to 8 rounds per second, each traveling at over 45 meters per second. Its precise microcontroller and powerful lithium-ion polymer battery enable the coil gun to charge in under 1/10 of a second, allowing for firing rates of up to 480 rounds per minute. This coil gun is a marvel of engineering, showcasing how modern technology can reinvent traditional concepts in weaponry. Number 6. Cannon Soda Can Launcher. The Cannon is a unique soda can launcher priced at $300. This powerful device can launch any standard unopened 12-ounce can over an impressive range of 105 yards. It's perfect for adding a bit of excitement to parties or gatherings. The Cannon operates using a proprietary gas tube system that redirects high-pressure gas vertically, ensuring delicate projectiles like soda cans are not destroyed upon launch. With its versatility, you can even 3D print your own projectiles, opening up a world of creative possibilities. Number 7. Steambow Finris Magazine for Compound Bows. The Steambow Finris Magazine, priced at $1,100, is a revolutionary accessory for compound bows. Developed in collaboration with renowned YouTuber Jorg Sprave, this magazine transforms your compound bow into a new category of arrow weaponry. The Finris-equipped bow offers ease of use, faster readiness, and incredible firing speed. With a capacity of 5 arrows and compatibility with most modern compound bows, the Fenris magazine allows for rapid-fire capability without compromising accuracy. Made from durable and lightweight anodized aluminum, this magazine is a testament to innovative design in archery. Number 8. Air Archery Rifle Umarex Airsaber Elite X2. Priced at $500, the Umarex Airsaber Elite X2 air archery rifle is a game-changer in its field. This double-barrel PCP air archery rifle offers power and precision for even the toughest game. Its ability to fire 2 arrows in quick succession sets it apart. The texturing on the all-weather ambidextrous stock and grip ensures a firm and consistent hold. The onboard pressure gauge allows for monitoring of the rifle's fill pressure, keeping you prepared at all times. Number 9. Scuba Ringer Mark II Underwater Pistol. The Scuba Ringer Mark II is the world's first compact underwater pistol capable of firing 2 harpoon arrows, priced at $380, utilizing compressed air to accelerate mini harpoons. This device is a must-have for underwater sports enthusiasts. The Scuba Ringer Mark II is an improved version of the original model, featuring 2 shots and reusable compressed air cartridges. Its design provides an alternative for self-defense situations in underwater environments. Number 10. V-Series High Power Slingshot. For just $45, the V-Series High Power Slingshot offers a versatile and fun experience. Suitable for target practice, this slingshot accepts various types of ammunition, including steel ball bearings, clay balls, marbles, and small rocks. Its extra-wide opening and ergonomic grip, coupled with the wrist brace, provide stability and power. The foldable brace ensures easy storage, and the natural latex rubber bands are easily replaceable, making it a practical choice for casual shooting enthusiasts. Number 11. PB4SP-OSA Barrelless Pistol for Law Enforcement. The PB4SP-OSA is a compact and versatile kit designed for personal protection, particularly for law enforcement officers. This barrelless pistol includes non-lethal cartridges with various functions such as traumatic, signal, stun, illuminating, marking, and tear gas rounds, weighing less than a pound when unloaded. This lightweight pistol is easy to carry and includes an integrated sighting laser for precise aiming. Priced affordably for law enforcement agencies, the PB4SP-OSA provides a reliable tool for personal protection, ensuring officers are equipped for close-range defense scenarios. Number 12. Arcus Aerostar, a pellet gun and arrow hybrid. Priced at $310, the Arcus Aerostar is a unique weapon that combines the features of a pellet gun and an arrow pistol, offering a new shooting experience. This slim and ergonomic pistol crossbow requires minimal effort to operate. Simply insert a CO2 cartridge into the Aerostar handle, load an arrow into the barrel, and pressurize the gun. With a range of 10 to 15 meters, the Aerostar delivers impressive accuracy. Each gas cartridge allows for multiple shots, ensuring consistency with each shot. Accessories like a stick for Aerostar or a Picatinny rail adapter can be added to enhance the shooting experience, making it ideal for target shooting enthusiasts. As we conclude our journey through these unconventional weapons, it's clear that the world of armament is constantly evolving, with creativity and innovation at its core. Each gadget we've explored today offers a unique twist on traditional concepts of firepower, demonstrating the exciting possibilities that lie ahead in weapon design and functionality. Whether for practical use, sport, or simply for the thrill of experiencing something new, these innovative gadgets provide a glimpse into the future of weaponry. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating exploration. And don't forget to subscribe for more content on groundbreaking weapons and gadgets.